This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get data from Yahoo Finance in Python. First, you'll need to install the yfinance library, which is a powerful tool for accessing financial data. Simply open your terminal or command prompt and type pip install yfinance. Once installed, import it into your Python script along with pandas, like import yfinance as if and import pandas as pd. Then, choose a stock ticker symbol, such as OPL for Apple, to begin. Now that your environment is set up, let's download some historical stock data. The if download function is your primary tool here. You'll pass your chosen ticker symbol, along with a start and end date, to retrieve the data. For instance, you could request data from January 1, 2010 to January 1, 2023. This function conveniently returns a pandas data frame, which is perfect for further analysis in Python. Beyond just historical prices, yfinance allows you to delve deeper into company specifics. By creating a if ticker object for a particular stock, you can access a wealth of information. This includes detailed financial statements, such as quarterly income statements or annual balance sheets. You can also easily retrieve data on dividends, stock splits, and even recent company news, providing a more complete picture of the company's performance. For those managing multiple investments, yfinance can download data for several stock tickers at once, streamlining your workflow significantly. Once you have your data, you can easily export it to a CSV file, making it simple to share or analyze in other applications like Excel. This flexibility makes yfinance an invaluable tool for both individual investors and financial analysts. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.